What up? It's your boy. I just saw you, aka J Squally, Double J's, Jack of all trades, making it happen, mold mechanic. So right here, I'm replacing a fog light, the whole light and the fixture, and we got the parts right here in this box here. So this is the right side, and the passenger side, which would be this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Like so. Alright. And pretty much any vehicle, you just gotta find the right year, model of the vehicle, see if it's the right mount that it has to the fog light, and replace it. So you can see this is the correct side because of the wording is, I can't see it this way. Well, it goes this way because the wording is upside down, so now it's right side up. So as you can see, DOT SAE. So this is how it's gonna go, up in there, just like that. So what I'm gonna have to do is remove this panel under here, and take this panel off, and that should give me access to where the floodlight is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm missing one bolt right there, but here's the other one right here. So take that one off and remove this section right here as well. Unless I can get in there without it. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I got the panel down enough to see up in here. Basically, this is what you want to see like this. You have access in here. And with this vehicle particularly, you could take off that panel right there, which is right here. And that's basically what I had. That's basically what I did. Took this off and just push it back up in here in the groove, and it'll sit in. So now I'm gonna go around the back side and unscrew. I can go from right here and I'll bolt that one. I may have access to the other one, probably underneath the bottom, and that's how we're gonna do it. All right. Pull it on out. So what right here, we'll screw it and pop out. I'm sorry, I have a flashlight in my mouth, so let me see. So you basically just push this button down and take off the connector. So let me try to do this with one hand, and I cannot. So give me a minute. So I went on ahead and just took it out of the connector here, portion right there. Sorry for the bad lighting. And with this, you have to basically pull this piece away from it because the way it's set, you got that little knob, that nip right here. It has this little nipple right there, so you have to pull the connector away from it so it can come undone. So you pull it away, and out it comes. So I'm just gonna reconnect it and then put the new one in. Just like that into the groove. It's connected. I'm trying to make it fit up in there the right way. So this way first. Sorry. That way. And I'm gonna line up these holes. kind of slippery here, guys. So there we go. I'm gonna line up these holes right here, and then screw it in like so, and then put this cover frame back on top of it right here, and we should be good. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm not screwed in yet, but there's grooves in here. See, that's broken, but it's okay to fit and stay up there. That's a groove right there, and those grooves right up in there is where it's just in. See, as you can see on this one, how they have those little hinges right here. Some right there, and then right there as well. They fit in a groove right here, which give you the placement that it's supposed to be in. And I have the screws in my hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw them in and put the cover back on. All right, that's pretty secured up in there now, like this here. You can see. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this complacent. Clean this stuff out. And it just goes right back in the grooves. Alright. Now let's go test this out real quick. I got one out. There we go. One good so far. So you see, that's the floodlight. So we got activity right there. That's how we do it. Now to the next one.